All right, we are coming to you live from Mayview Avenue, 5513. The roof is not quite finished yet, but they're still working on it. Got all new windows, all new landscaping, putting the final touches on, so this thing's ready for the market. Coming tomorrow for showing, so we're gonna go inside, take a look, and see how nice it looks. It's all completely staged. It's got a brand new living room in here, all new flooring. Check out how nice these floors are. And you can see the living room. Come back in here. Got the dining area, table area. All new light fixtures. All new paint. All new doors. All new windows. All new everything. All new recessed lights that aren't on, but they should be. And we'll come back through here. Brand new kitchen. Huge kitchen. Nice countertops. All stainless steel appliances. More recessed lights. New door. Side door windows. Backsplash. Ceramic tile backsplash. Awesome faucet. 36-inch sink. Undermount, and like I said, all stainless. Nice hardware on the cabinets. They are soft close drawers. You got your gas stove, more space over here, and you got your full refrigerator in here, and more cabinet space for your pantry over to the right side of the fridge. And we'll come back this way. We're going to come in here. Behind the kitchen is actually a storage area where it's finished nice with the floors in here too. And you got your washer and dryer over here that do convey with the house. Washer and dryer stay with the house. Got your gas meter over here. And we come back this way. Come back this way. And we're going to show you the reason why you want this house. We're going to go into the master owner suite. So we go into the suite, and look how big this is. Look how big this is. This is the 4th bedroom, the owner's suite. Got recessed lights, fresh new paint, all new electrical receptacles, and this one even has a sliding glass door that you go out of to your private outdoor area where you can sit and take the dog out there to your fully fenced in yard, sit out there, smoke some cigars, have a drink some coffee in the morning, you know, and just enjoy yourself here. And then we got a full bath in the owner's suite right in here, putting the finishing touches on it. Check out that tile, man. It's some really nice tile. Got a great vanity. And then we got some nice fixtures. And then this is my favorite, is this tile job. Look at this tile job that they did. And they took it all the way up to the ceiling. And then you got a nice tile floor, oversized shower here. And we still have another full bath around the corner. Here's your hall closet here, which we have some storage space for your jackets and things in the hallway. And then we're going to come back this way, and we're going to take a peek at the bathroom in here. Here's another full bath. Looks like they're working on finishing the mirror up and securing that and the dryer vent. But check out this tile work again. This is nice, man. This looks like a hotel at like the Hampton Inn or something. It's nice. It's all brand new. Floor to ceiling tile around the tub surround. Nice floors. Then we go into the other bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 2 after the master. So you have the owner suite. This is another bedroom here. All of them have ceiling fans in them. And They all have brand new carpet in them. And then they have brand new doors and hardware in them, all brushed nickel. Everything looks nice and sharp and crisp and clean with the brushed nickel. And we come back around the hallway. We got another bedroom in here, which shows you this. Another ceiling fan, new windows. And then we have another room over here with another ceiling fan in here too. So that gives you a really good idea about what's in this house and what you can see when you come through here. But all this can be yours. Brand new everything. This is amazing in here. Brand new everything. And it's just so inexpensive compared to what you get out in other suburb areas from here. So come check it out. There will be some open houses. And if you want to see it in person, just call for your private tour. And that's pretty much it. If you have questions, just call. We'll get you hooked up with whatever you need, financing or any of that stuff. Thanks for taking the tour. Take care. And call with any questions you have.